everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basic. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to log into your Cenlar Mortgage account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in cenlar.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official website for Cenlar. Once you end up in this page, scroll down and get to this client login or the homeowner login option. Select one of your account's type and click login. Once you do that, you will then be redirected in the login page for Cenlar. Type in your username and then your password on the right hand side of the screen. Start off by typing in your username correct. Now head over to the password field and type in your correct password for your account. If you don't remember your password or your username, click on Forgot Username or the Forgot Password link and follow through the on-screen instructions. After filling in your credential, click on this I agree box and click Login in order to sign in to your Cenlar's loan account. So that was how you can easily log into Cenlar Mortgage account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.